have a show. I got chat to them. I made them chat for it.
Joseph, thank you. Now to a one and only exclusive. Earlier this week, a potential juror in the penalty phase of the Parkland shooting trial told the judge she couldn't serve because she has a sugar daddy. Well, that clip went viral online, and now she wants to set the record straight. We have Local 10's crime specialist Bridget Matter live in Fort Lauderdale with the exclusive interview. Bridget.
This woman said she wanted to talk to us because she wanted to let people know she was being honest, that serving on a jury would put her in a financial hardship because she can't see her sugar daddy. No one expected jury selection in the Parkland shooter's penalty phase trial to go viral, but this clip of a potential juror explaining why she can't serve on the panel made the rounds on social media.
I need to figure out something. I have my sugar daddy that I see every day.
I'm sorry?
My sugar daddy.
Okay, I'm not exactly sure what you're talking about, but
Well, I'm married and I have my sugar daddy.
Okay.
And I see him every day.
That woman, Mrs. Bristol, a native New Yorker, says she wasn't trying to weasel her way out of jury duty.
If I do this case for 6 months, I have a hardship. That means my sugar daddy can't support me.
She told me that 6-month time frame would put her in a financial bind. How much exactly per month she claims she'll miss out on?
$8,000 a month.
The penalty phase for the shooter could last up to 6 months. Jurors would have to make a recommendation to the judge of a life or death sentence.
It's all day for 6 months. And that was my hardship. I need my sugar daddy money.
Bristol says she was honest, saying her hardship was financial, so the judge excused her.
I said to the judge, I have a sugar daddy and I'm married and I have a husband, just like that.
The judge heard other more common hardships like having 2 jobs or a long vacation, but none as unique as this one. I did ask Bristol if the judge asked her to provide any proof of this. She said no, that she was simply excused. Eventually, 12 jurors and 8 alternatives will be seated for this penalty phase, but Bristol will not be part of that group.
I have a show. I got chat to them. I made them chat for it.